If you have a product to sell, you can definitely make money online. Even if you don't have your own product, you can still make money online. And this is how. So let's say you have your own product that you're selling. If you don't, you can easily sign up as an affiliate for another company and promote their products. Then you would start creating content around that product on social media. This can be any platform of your choice. And then you would direct that traffic to something called a sales funnel. This usually consists of a landing page which collects people's names and emails, and a bridge page where they can learn more about what you're offering on the next page. And you can actually build your own sales funnel using this website right here. And you can do this using the free plan that they offer. Now, when you build your sales funnel, you're going to direct traffic from social media to your landing page, collect people's names and email address. Then they're going to go to the bridge page where they can learn more about what you're offering. And from there, they're going to be directed to the sales page where they have the option to buy whatever product or service that you're offering. And if they do purchase that product, you would make a sale. Now, let's say somebody comes to the sales page and they don't purchase that product. They just click away. Since you collected their name and email address on this first page, you can send them a series of emails just following up with them and redirecting them back to the sales page where you can increase your chances of making a sale. Like I mentioned, you can do this if you're selling your own products or if you're promoting somebody else's product as an affiliate. Now, if you want to learn how to do this in more detail, make sure to follow me and also leave a comment.